Alright, hello again everybody. This is Dr. Blumenthal at Natural Transplants. I'm here in the Maryland office and I have a patient here to follow up at 4 months, and I just want to show you the scar. Obviously it's a big concern of a lot of patients, especially males, concerned about what the scar is going to look like, how big it's going to be, how short they can wear their hair. And so this is a patient of mine we did 4 months ago. He's coming in for his 4-month follow-up, and this is what the scar looks like. Couldn't even see. He just got his hair cut, and this is pretty short. It's probably a 2-guard, and you can't even see it. I'm gonna try to separate the hair. I actually had trouble finding part of it, a lot of it. Let's see if I can find it again. So right there you can see a little bit of a line right underneath the comb blade. Coming around, you can see just underneath that little line. If you took a pen and drew a line, that's about how thick the scar is. And this is pretty typical. This isn't sort of an unusually small one. Again, right there, you can kind of get a little vague idea. A little tiny line, and across. And let's see, sort of have trouble finding it in this part. Just underneath there. And just underneath you can see a little white line right there. So again, it's pretty typical. This is a 2-guard, I think, right here. And you can't see anything. So again, you wear your hair really short. Most guys never even know it's there. All right, thanks. Bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our HUE and HUE Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.